Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we're going to learn how to add and set up standalone forms on your Wix site. Standalone forms allow you to collect information through a shareable link without the need to embed a form on your site. So, if you need to set one up, here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Customers and Leads and select Form Submissions. Here, click on Create Form and select Standalone Form. Here on the form editor, start building your desired form by adding fields and elements. You can select them here on the left. There are different fields you can choose from, so feel free to add the fields that you need to add. To manage a specific field, click on it and click on Settings, and this panel on the right will show. Tweak the settings here on the right panel according to your needs and preferences. And if you ever need to delete a field, just click on it, and the delete button is just over here. And if you need to add a title to your form or like a header, you can go to the Layout Elements section and select Header. You can drag and drop this element to the top, click on Edit Text to edit the content, and type in any text you want to type. You can also use the tools over here to format your text however you want to. Once you're done building your form, click on Save over here so that you'll be able to preview it. To preview it, go to the Preview tab, and this is what it's going to look like to your visitors. You can interact with it as if it were live, and you can view it in this format or in this format. Also, go to the Settings tab and make sure to properly rename your form. And over here, you can also set up other settings according to your needs and preferences, such as your confirmation message, notifications and automations, payment setup, advanced form validations, spam filter, form status, and this is also where you can view your language and regional format. If you ever need to change this, you're going to have to do that on the language and region settings of your dashboard right after you save all the changes to this form. And on the Submissions tab, this is also where you can see the submissions for this form. You'll see a detailed you'll see a detailed table of the responses you've received. So make sure to review everything to ensure that you're happy with the standalone form you've created. And once you're ready to share it, go back to the Preview tab and click on Share. Here, you'll have a form link that you can copy and share, or you can directly share it by using the options available here. And there you have it. That's how you create a standalone form with Wix. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.